Hello guys and welcome to AppWiz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on sound recognition on your iPhone. This is a really useful feature that can alert you when important sounds are detected, like a doorbell, alarm, or even a baby crying. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Here, keep scrolling until you find the option called Sound Recognition, then tap on it. Now, simply turn on the toggle at the top to enable sound recognition. After that, you can choose which sounds you want your device to recognize, such as door knocks, sirens, or glass breaking. And that's it! Your iPhone will now listen for those sounds and notify you whenever they are detected. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.